Most people waste hours researching Buildertrend before they realize one important thing. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming free trial means the same thing for every construction software company. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many construction platforms use demos, onboarding calls, and guided trials instead of the simple click and start free trials you see with normal apps. So does Buildertrend actually have a free trial in 2026? The short answer is yes. But there are important details you need to understand before signing up. And in this video, I'll explain exactly how Buildertrend's trial process works, what you usually get access to, who should actually test it, and the hidden thing many contractors overlook before starting a trial. Let's get into it. First, Buildertrend is designed as a full construction management platform. It handles estimating, scheduling, client communication, budgeting, selections, change orders, project management, and more. Because it is a larger business platform, Buildertrend does not always work like a typical consumer app, where you instantly create an account and start using everything freely forever. Instead, Buildertrend often uses guided onboarding and sales-assisted trials depending on your company's size and needs. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of contractors search Buildertrend free trial, expecting a simple 30-day unlimited account. But Buildertrend's approach is usually more personalized than that. You typically start by booking a demo or speaking with their team. From there, they may offer trial access, walkthroughs, or onboarding assistance depending on your situation. And honestly, for construction software, that can actually be a good thing. Here's why. Most contractors do not fail because the software lacks features. They fail because they never set it up correctly. Imagine Jake runs a remodeling business. He signs up for complex software with no onboarding. He uploads messy customer data, skips templates, ignores training, and gets overwhelmed after 4 days. Now compare that to Alex. Alex books a Buildertrend demo. He gets guided through scheduling, estimates, change orders, and customer communication. Within 2 weeks, his workflow actually makes sense. That onboarding support can save huge amounts of time. But here's the problem. Some contractors hate sales calls. They just want instant access. If that sounds like you, Buildertrend's process may feel slower compared to simpler tools. Now let's answer the biggest question directly. What do you actually get during a Buildertrend trial in 2026? Typically, the goal is to let you experience core workflows like estimating, scheduling, customer communication, and project tracking. Buildertrend wants contractors to see how the system works in real business situations. You can usually test dashboards, workflows, financial tracking, mobile functionality, and homeowner communication tools. But this is where most people fail. They spend the trial clicking random buttons instead of testing actual workflows. Do not test software casually. Test real scenarios. Create a sample project. Build an estimate. Send a change order. Add a schedule update. Upload photos. Invite a team member. Pretend you are running a live job. That is how you figure out whether software truly fits your business. Now in a minute, I'll explain who should probably avoid Buildertrend entirely. But first, let's talk about what makes Buildertrend popular in the first place. Buildertrend became well known because it combines project management and customer communication into one platform. Residential builders and remodelers especially like the homeowner portal. Clients can see schedules, updates, invoices, photos, and selections in one place. That reduces constant phone calls and scattered text messages. And that matters more than people realize. Many contractors underestimate how much time they lose answering repetitive customer questions. Did the cabinets arrive? When does drywall start? Can you resend the invoice? Buildertrend centralizes that communication. Now here's where things get interesting. Buildertrend is not necessarily the cheapest software option. And that changes how you should approach the trial. You are not just testing features. You are testing return on investment. For example, if Buildertrend saves you 5 hours per week in communication and project coordination, the monthly cost may easily justify itself. But if your company only runs 2 tiny projects at a time, you may never use half the features. And this is exactly why some contractors end up overpaying for software they barely use. Now let's talk about who Buildertrend works best for. Buildertrend is strongest for residential builders, remodelers, and contractors managing multiple moving parts across projects. If client communication, scheduling, and change orders are constant headaches, Buildertrend can help a lot. But here's the issue. Very small contractors sometimes buy enterprise-style software too early. If you are a solo handyman, managing jobs with basic invoicing and texting, Buildertrend may feel like overkill. This is where many contractors make expensive mistakes. They buy software based on aspiration instead of operational reality. Now that does not mean Buildertrend is bad for small businesses. Plenty of smaller contractors use it successfully. But you need enough workflow complexity to justify the learning curve and cost. Now let's discuss the mobile experience, because this matters hugely in 2026. Buildertrend's mobile app is one reason many contractors stay with the platform long term. Crews can upload photos, track updates, manage tasks, and communicate from the field. And homeowners can stay updated without constant back and forth calls. But here's something most reviews skip. The mobile app only works well if your team consistently uses it. Software adoption is everything. You can have the best platform in the world, but if nobody updates job progress, the data becomes useless. This is why onboarding during the trial matters so much. Now let's talk about the hidden challenge of free trials. Time pressure. Most contractors start trials during busy weeks, barely log in, and then claim the software was confusing. That is not a real evaluation. Block out dedicated testing time. Run a mock project. Get your office manager involved. Test your actual workflow. That is the only way to judge software properly. Now here's where Buildertrend separates itself from simpler apps. It is designed to become the operational center of your business. That means setup matters. Templates matter. Processes matter. The contractors who love Buildertrend usually invest time up front. The contractors who hate it often expect instant perfection without setup. And honestly, that is true for most construction management software. Now let's answer another common question. Is the Buildertrend free trial enough time to fully evaluate the software? Usually you can understand the core experience fairly quickly if you focus on your most important workflows first. Start with these areas: estimating, scheduling, change orders, client communication, financial tracking. Those are typically the biggest decision makers. Do not waste trial time exploring advanced features you may never use. And here's another important tip. Compare Buildertrend against your current pain points, not against perfection. No software is perfect. The real question is whether it improves your daily operations enough to justify the switch. Now, let's talk alternatives briefly, because this matters. Some contractors compare Buildertrend with Contractor Foreman, Who's Pro, CoConstruct, JobTreat, or Projol. Buildertrend usually sits in the category of polished, all-in-one residential construction management software. It focuses heavily on communication, workflow organization, and customer experience. If those are your biggest bottlenecks, the trial is absolutely worth exploring. Now let's wrap this up clearly. Yes, Buildertrend does offer trial and demo opportunities in 2026, but the experience is often more guided and business-focused than a typical consumer app free trial. And honestly, that makes sense for software managing real construction operations. The smartest way to use the trial is to test real workflows, involve your actual team, and focus on your biggest operational problems. Do not judge it based on random clicking. Judge it based on whether it saves time, reduces chaos, improves communication, and helps projects run smoother. That is what really matters. If this video helped you understand Buildertrend's trial process, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the biggest problem you are trying to solve in your construction business. And if you want more Buildertrend comparisons and software breakdowns for 2026, check out the next video now.